This label on your McDonald's coffee actually has a shocking story behind it. See, in 1992, a 79-year-old woman ordered a cup of McDonald's coffee and accidentally spilled it on her lap, causing third-degree burns on 16% of her body. Her skin even started to peel off, and that's because McDonald's used to serve their coffee at 190 degrees, which is hot enough to melt human flesh in seconds. And when the woman asked McDonald's to cover her $20,000 medical expenses, they offered her only $800. So she took them to court, and the jury found out that McDonald's had received over 700 burn complaints before hers. So to punish the company, the jury awarded her $2.9 million in damages. And that's why your coffee comes with this label on it.